Welcome back, children. Now we are going to do some word problems based on decimals. Okay. First question. What should be added to 4.7 to get 10? What should be added to 4.7 to get 10? Question is like this. What should be added to 4.7 to get 10? To get 10. What should be added to 4.7 to get 10? So, to find out this number, this is addend. These two numbers are called addend, that is a sum. To find out the addend, what should we do, children? We have to minus. So, you will write the statement as required number equal to required number equal to 10 minus 4.7. 10 minus 4.7. Now, I have told you when you are subtracting, first you have to convert it into like decimals. So, here you don't have any decimal place over here. So, you will write it as 10.0 minus 4.7. 10.0 minus 4.7. Now 0 minus 7 is not possible. So you will borrow from the next 0, that is also not possible. Borrow from here, this becomes 10. Now borrow from 10, this becomes 9 and this becomes 10. So you get 3 here, decimal place, 9 minus 4 you get 5. So the required number is 5.3. Okay, children? Now, next question. What should be taken away from 17? Taken away. What do you mean by this taken away? Subtraction, isn't it? Taken away from 17. I have told you all many times. In subtraction, the number that comes after the word from is the first number in subtraction. So, what should be taken away from 17? So, that means 17 is your first number. What has to be taken away from 17 to get 4.69? To get 4.69. What should be taken away from 17 to get 4.69? So, this is a question. You have to find out this. Minuend minus subtrahend equal to difference. You have to find out the subtrahend, the second number. To find out the second number, what we have to do, children? We have to subtract. So, and what minus what will you do? That is the question. Is it the difference minus minuend or the minuend minus difference? It is understood. Always the bigger number minus the smaller number. Minuend minus the difference. So, required number equal to 70 minus 4.69. If you had to find out the first number, what will you all do, children? You will add. You will add the answer and the second number. Okay. So, now you are finding out the second number. So, first number minus the answer. Now, again as I told you, here you have two decimal places. So, 17 there is no decimal place. So, first you have to convert it to like decimal. 17.00 minus 4.69. 17.00 minus 4.69. Now you can minus from 0, you borrow, this becomes 6 and here it becomes 10. Borrow from 10, this becomes 9, here it becomes 10. So 10 minus 9 you are getting 1, 9 minus 6 you are getting 3, okay, decimal point, 6 minus 4 you are getting 2 and then 1. So you are getting the answer as 12.3. Okay, children, understood? You have similar questions like this in your textbook. Try to work out those questions. Okay, exercise 7G, question 2 and 3, they are similar questions. Try to work it out. Okay. Now, moving on to some word problems here. Akshit's father drove 158.3 kilometer on Monday and 79.8 kilometer on Tuesday. Okay. So on Monday 158.3 kilometer and on Tuesday 79.8 kilometer. So on Monday he drove more, on Tuesday he drove less. What is the question? How many kilometers less did he drive on Tuesday? We know on Tuesday he has taken the drive of only 79.8 kilometer. He has drove only 79.8 kilometer less than Monday. They are asking you how many kilometers less? How many kilometers less? Remember these type of questions? How much less? How many more? All these come under subtraction. All these come under subtraction. So how many kilometers less did he drive on Tuesday? There is a comparison between Tuesday and Monday. So when there is a comparison, it is a subtraction problem. So you can write the statement. Distance drove on Monday equal to 158.3 kilometer. Next statement, distance drove on Tuesday, that is equal to 79.8 kilometer. Now, less distance drove on Tuesday than Monday. Less distance drove on Tuesday. What you have to do? You have to subtract. So 158.3 kilometer minus 79.8 kilometer. Okay. So you will minus 158.3 minus 79.8. Now borrow, this becomes 7, here becomes 13, 13 minus 8 is 5. Then 7 minus 9 again not possible, borrow, this becomes 17, 17 minus 9 is 8. Again 4 minus 7 not possible, borrow, this becomes 14, 14 minus 7 is 7. So he drove 78.5 kilometer less on Tuesday than on Monday. He drove 78.5 kilometer less on Tuesday than Monday. You can add this also over here because there is a comparison. Less distance drove on Tuesday than Monday. It's a comparison. So you have to minus 158.3 kilometer minus 79.8 kilometer. You will get as 78.5 kilometer. Okay. Now, next question. A bean plant measured 8.5 centimeter on Friday. It grew another 0.75 centimeter on Saturday. It grew another. So, what is the question? What was its height on Saturday? What was its height on Saturday? What will we do, children, over here? They are given you the length of the plant on Friday and they are telling you it grew 0.75 centimeter on Saturday. On Saturday it has grown 0.75 centimeter. So you have to find out the length of Saturday. What will we do? It has grown up, isn't it? So what will we do? We will add. So write the statement. Length of the bean plant on Friday. Is equal to 8.5 centimeter. Then length of the plant on Saturday. Two statements is enough over here. On Saturday, what you have to do? You have to add. So you will get 8.5 centimeter plus 0.75 centimeter. Add it. 8.50 I am writing because that's two decimal places. 0.75, 5, 12, carry 1. So I get on Saturday the length of the height of the plant was 9.25 centimeter. On Saturday, the height of the plant was 9.25 centimeter. Okay. Now, last question. The thickness of one book is 3.8 centimeter and the thickness of another book is 2.03 centimeter. What is the thickness of two books together when placed one on top of the other? When placed one on top of the other. See, I have one book, okay, its thickness is 3.8 centimeter. Then I have another book, its thickness is 2.03 centimeter. So, if I keep these two books together, what is the thickness? That is what they are asking me. If I keep these two books together, what is the thickness? What will we do? We should add it. It's an understood question. So, write thickness of one book 3.8 centimeter, thickness of second book, that is equal to 2.03 centimeter. I will write thickness of both the books together. Thickness of both the books together is equal to 3.8 centimeter plus 2.03 centimeter. Okay, so you are getting as 3.80 plus 2.03. You add it, you get 5.83 centimeter. 5.83 centimeter. So, the thickness of both the books together is 5.83 centimeter. Okay, children. Now, children, you are having similar questions in chapter checkup. So, try to do those questions in the textbook itself. That is question 1, 2, 3 and 4. All these questions you can do it in the textbook itself. 1 to 4 you do it in the textbook. Then question 5 and question 7 and all. Try to do it in your rough book. Okay, with statements. Okay, so with this chapter is over. Thank you, children.